Hello guys, so this is the breaking news. The breaking news just dropped immediately as I just upload the video I record in the morning. So I just see this news. So this news never really reached like 10 minutes or 15 minutes yet, and I'm recording this in around 11:15 or thereabouts. So David Ornstein from the Athletic on the let us know say exclusive. William Saliba commits future to Arsenal by agreeing new long-term contract. 24-year-old centre back entered final 2 years of his previous deal. Real Madrid be the reason, but the France international wanted just Arsenal, so he won't stay here. So he don't sign new long-term contract. How long be the contract? We never really know, because from all the reports I don't see, nobody don't put the amount of years, but I can speculate that it is 4 years. But normally now like 4 years, but it's a long term. It's usually 4 years. They go add to the two we get already. Everything will be like 6 years now. So it really make a whole lot of sense. Then even Fabrizio Romano also puts in own. So Fabrizio Romano said they talk about this contract and they give attribution to David Ornstein and the Athletic, but then bring the story. They have the exclusive, so nice one. Are they happy for Andrea Berta? You don't actually stamp in mark of authority. So Saliba said, believe in the future. That's why Inc can still feel sign new contract. So now Bukayo Saka remain. They ask Saka, oh yeah, they use the runner. More no say the core of our team. We don't did there. So that togetherness. Yes, we'll see what we will use and achieve. But this season, the expectation is that we are going to win something. So let's just keep it going. So that's what it's make I call it. All right, guys, as we were.